Today I am going to show you how to find a number when percentage is given. So first of all, the formula for this one is number is equal to given value multiplied by 100 divided by percentage. For example, we have 25% of what number is 75. So for this, we have number is equal to 75 times 100 divided by 25%. So now we multiply 75 by 100. It is 7500 divided by 25. So when we divide 7500 on 25, we will get 300. So this is our answer. So for sake of practice, we take another example. 60% of what number is 180. So formula is number is equal to given value, that is 180, multiplied by 100 divided by 60. Now we multiply 180 by 100. It will become 18,000 divided by 60. So when we divide 18,000 on 60, we will get 300. So this is our answer. Now we take another example. 10% of what number is 40. So for this, again, the given value is 40 multiplied by 100, divide it on 10. That is percentage basically. So 40 multiplied by 100 is 4000 divided by 10. So we cancel 0 by 0. Then our answer is 400.